Okay, start.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. My venture is your project buddy, your business buddy, and I have come out with a little slogan for that: creating business for your business. So, as you all know, in this corona pandemic, there are lots of negative things, and there is one positive thing. Can you guess or can you tell? Okay, so the one positive thing is everything is being digitalized, like your shops, like our college also, everything is being digitalized. So there are lots of people, those who have come up with their business, and to promote their business or let the other know about your business, you need to have a website or an app. So my venture is all about creating app or creating a website. So uh, So why you choose us? Because there are lots of web creating or app creating people around us. So first of all, me and my team. First of all, I'm gonna start alone. So I will create a website. So it will be fully responsive and it will be fully attractive, so that it can attract people easily. And I will not start my venture after my college. I will take little time, like 3 to 4 years, so that I can gain experience how the industry work. And because as I'm from the computer science background, so experience and the practical is our life. Because we cannot do, and because the best way to learn anything or best way to express anything is for the is because of the experience. So I will create a resume of mine which contain all the projects which I'm doing inside the college or I'm doing outside, or I will add all the experience in that. And after that, like I'm doing a project for my hostel, I'm developing a hostel website for my own hostel. So like that, I will do some future business. Do some I will create some website for in future, so that I will add those in my resume or in my website, so that people can know about it, and I will add the testimonial for that, where the real people will tell their experience, how they have I mean experienced with me. And uh, my company, after that I will employ few people, and those people will know the front end and the back end of the web development and app development. Basically they are all rounder in that. And because there are some emergencies, in some emergencies cases, like few people will sick or they can't able to do some work, so my team will handle it. It's not like we need to be pressurized or work under the pressure. So my team will be like this, and we will work according to that. And after some time, like after till 2030, I will create my own business, and I will already have given the name and the slogan. So according to that, we will work. Thank you.
Okay, yes. Completed very quickly. Huh? What will be your business brand name of your
Sir,
service?
I
Web
told na,
develop.
sir.
Yes, that web development name.
Sir, your
Whether you
business
will
buddy, sir.
brand every product or is only app, or what is your product final?
So my final product is both app development and web development. I have given a name of your project buddy,
Yes,
your
that
business
project
buddies.
buddy brand name is the whether you will give for individual product a name, that is the question. Hmm.
Sir, actually,
Hmm.
it's the person or the company which is going to come, and they have to whatever, like any company is coming to me that
Hmm.
they want a website to be created. So that company will give the name and I have to upload that, sir. It's
Okay, good.
basically like that, sir.
Okay, so appreciation from the members regarding your business aim vision by 2030. You clearly mentioned. That is the plus point they mentioned clearly. How you mentioned, then your strategic agenda, how you are going to manage it. That is your another plus point. You mentioned the organizational method, when you will employ others, how you will employ others. You clearly mentioned that one.
Yes, sir.
Then another thing you mentioned, slow and steady wins the race. That is
Yes,
given
sir.
by the one madam here. I think you know, Geeta
So
madam mentioned.
because
Mm,
as I'm from the computer science background,
mm,
so we are
mm,
starting slowly and with the help of the practical, and we are gaining the experience. So
mm.
basically, this is the main thing.
Okay, these are all the plus points. And students mentioned that hostel. You are going to develop the thing for your hostel.
Actually, sir, this is my first project. I'm doing
Oh,
a project for our college, sir. I
mm,
mean, it's our mini project, sir, you can say.
mm.
And I'm developing a website for my own hostel, sir.
How, which hostel?
So it's a army hostel, sir. It's near
Mm.
Shivaji Nagar, sir.
Oh,
It's an
Shivaji
army
Nagar
hostel.
there. Mm.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you are basically from Bangalore.
No, sir. I'm actually from. I'm. My native is in Jharkhand, sir,
Mm,
and I'm. My father was in army, so I got an
mm.
army hostel where I'm living. From there, I go to my college, sir.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
So from, that is why they are asking hostel, how they will develop, and that is the thing. Good.
Okay. Okay.
Based upon once again here also you can see the how the transformation stage is coming. He is in army hostel and he used to develop a new thing. How we can develop ourselves along with others. That is the plus point mentioned by the Ajit. Very nice thing. Oh, the question they mentioned, what is that? Yes, the band rate, how you will control your band rate. That is the only question they raised.
So first of all, I will because I'm starting it. So I will start because I'm only the employee in that when
Mm,
I'm starting it. So I will charge like 5 to 6 thousand in the
mm,
initial stage. So because I'm starting it, I don't have lots of experience, and I have to attract people. For that, I need projects, lots and lots of projects, so that I can add in my resume. So
mm,
I will charge very less because I'm the only person who is working, who is both taking the back end and the front end.
mm,
And sir, as if you go outside and if you ask, the people are charging like 21 to 25,000 for a single website. So my burn rate will be, sir, not. I will manage it very easily because we need to. I mean, I will take advance from the person who is going to come for me,
mm.
and and after completing the website or the app, I will take the full amount, sir. So by taking the advance, I can able to manage, sir.
Oh, that is nice thing. Of course, how you are going to manage the thing. Okay, good. Then what type of website that this is from my side? How you are going to develop the new trends in website? Website is already there. Everybody is developing. What will be the new thing in your website development process?
So basically, it is the responsiveness of the website so that you can use it in a smartphone, you
Mm,
can use it in a tablet, you can use it in a laptop, you can use it in a PC. So there are, and sir, if you click on something,
mm,
so the design, you can say, sir, design should be attractive so that first
mm,
love at the first sight, you can say, sir. If
mm,
somebody will see your website, you can attract, because for a business, if you want to attract somebody, or if you want to showcase your project, you need a designer website so that people
mm.
can, with a single look, they can come to you and they want to hire you for something, sir.
Oh,
That's the
good.
main.
Mm.
That's
That
the
is
main.
what we call it as prototype. Mm.
Yes, sir.
Design. That is what I
Yes.
used to call it as design thinking in prototype. Your website, you mentioned that one. And we also call it as the landing page in business. How
Yes.
the website will create that one, how it will open the floodgate for others. Based upon your design of your website, it will open the floodgate to enter into that one. That is the digital marketing trends we used to call it as. Good, Ajit, very nice. Where you are, whether you are now in Bangalore or in Jharkhand?
No, sir, I'm in Jharkhand, sir.
Jharkhand. Oh, where
Yes.
in
Sir,
Jharkhand?
it's a small village, sir. It's near Hatia, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I don't know about that place. Good. Anyhow, from that village itself, we are able to manage nicely without any network interruption. Good. Hmm.
Yes.
Yes, students, now it is your turn to ask him, to ask Ajit. Hmm? Hey, nobody is ready. You, somebody, I think I came know that one Tamil actor called Ajit. Huh? You are thinking like that. No, our Ajit is nice student only. Huh? And that Ajit used to fight with everybody. Don't worry, afraid of our Ajit. Hmm? Come on. Hey, what happened? Okay, Ajit. I think you have created a nice friends only. Huh? Nobody will be the competitor for you. Hmm. Good, then no questions from anybody will wind up. Good, Ajit. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Bye. Okay, next who is ready? Ajit presented. Then we'll go to backside. Minu Bharati, are you ready? Minu Bharati.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Just a second, sir. I'm
Mm,
checking up my connection once.
mm. Check the speed of your connection.
Sir, I'm connecting through my phone, sir. Can you allow?
You are connecting through?
My phone, sir.
Once again now. Okay, can. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. Am I audible
Yes.
to? Can you
Uh,
hear me?
yes, ma. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Let's begin.
Okay, you need sharing or you are going to present?
No, sir. It's just an oral presentation.
Okay, start, Minu.
Yes. So the one commodity that every human being use, each one
Ma,
of
you have
us.
to switch on your camera. Wait.
Oh, my camera is on, I guess.
No, you are not switch on your camera.
It is, sir. Can you check it once more, please?
Yes, we are unable to see your face, ma.
How about now, sir?
No, you are muted now. I think it shows like that.
No, sir. I think I'm clear. I mean, my connection is clear here, and I switched on my videos and audio as well.
But we are unable to see. Anybody is able to see her image?
No, sir.
Ah, and you can adjust your camera.
Sir, can you give me some time?
Okay, you can present next.
Yes,
Then
sir.
we will move on to next person. Who is that? Bonnie Tom Philip. Bonnie?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Whether you need sharing anything?
No, sir.
Okay, good, Bonnie. Start.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. My venture is about creating an online website or app for taking appointment in hospitals. Because nowadays, due to this pandemic, everyone are maintaining social distancing, and now in some hospital, the patients or the bystanders of patient have to wait for a long time or wait in a long queue to get an appointment of a doctor. Uh, my this website will help people to get an appointment from home itself through their patients can doctors according to their department, maybe physician, pediatrician, etc. And patient can look at the schedules of doctor, uh, when is particular doctor available on his schedule, and my team will be then my team can reschedule the appointment if they missed if he or she if the patient missed out the appointment, and to produce this app requires a high speed internet connection, web server to store doctors and patients details, and this will be done by well qualified programmers who are able to interpret the functional requirements and some non-functional requirements to create and deploy the website to the outside world. And in future, some number of updates may be updates should be updates could be made to this app, and presentation നടക്കുന്നത് ഇല്ല.
Okay, Bonnie, you can
Sorry, sir.
unmute. Start.
And for the deployment of this app, now in the current market, you see it is a bit difficult to get everyone to know about this app or website. So I may hire a third party to get in contact with some hospitals, and like that I can do it, sir.
That's all.
Okay,
This
sir.
is completed. And from there itself, they are telling that the marketing plan and band rate you are not mentioned.
Uh,
How you will market yourself?
Market, that only I told, sir. I may hire third party to get in contact with the hospital in some hospitals, and the burn rate how will manage it? For actually this app will be developed by myself, so not much amount of amount is required for expense is not required, sir. And
Okay, Bonnie. They mentioned that your plus point is like Practo, you are going to create a new app appointment in hospital. At present, as they are telling 2 more apps, Practo is there. Practo app you are going to do in the same manner. How this app will be differentiated from Practo app? Already there is one app. How you are going to get the market by comparing the existing one?
it might be same, sir, but actually I had made this because one of my friend's father is working in a receptionist in hospital. According then there it's there he was telling that it was difficult to take appointment to the patients, so I just thought of making this as an venture. That's it.
Oh, nice. That's what how the idea is coming. Others should note down from Bonnie how the idea is coming. How when he visited hospital, met one of the person, he mentioned the problem, so he decided to solve that one. That is the ventureship, solving the problem. Very good. That is the thing. And from students, okay, here the students asked that second bandit. Okay, whether you are able to identify the doctors by creating database itself or based upon the diseases, because there are some doctors with your specialty doctors are there, neurologist and
The patients patients can select according to which department, which specialized doctor they need to be. They need to add.
Okay. Okay, now open to students. Any questions for Bonnie? Yes, come on, students. Why there is no response? Come on. Why? Okay, then Bonnie will end up. Good, Bonnie.
Thank
Your
you, sir.
aim and vision is high. I hope
you,
you
sir.
are able to achieve by 2030 or after that.
No, at 2030 only can achieve.
Achieve.
Before only.
Before that one, good. Where you are now?
I'm in Kerala, sir.
Which place?
Kottayam.
Kottayam, nice. You told on the day, no? Good. But I have visited Kottayam. There are a number of nice hospitals also there. Hmm? Good. Hmm. Usually we used to visit that Saint Kitts.
Or
uh,
college. Okay, sir.
Yes, yes. Hmm. Dear friend. Okay, Bonnie. Good. Nice. Hmm?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, next. Who is ready? Bonnie. Thomas over. Then Romy Benny. Romy. Romy Benny. Not there. Hmm. Then Flency.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Flency. Flency, you can start. Whether you need sharing or you are going to talk.
Sir, towards the end, I need sharing, sir.
So I will make you host. You have prepared some advertisement. Huh?
Yes. No?
Yes, I made it you as co-host.
Okay, sir.
Start.
Okay. So, hello, everyone. Can you see this screen right here?
Yes, yes,
This,
nice background.
what you see right here is LV. LV Food Trucks is my venture. So, LV stands for Le Voyageur.
Hmm.
In French, it is called as, it translates as traveler. Okay. Now, why I chose this particular name is that the main goal of this food truck is to bring together the traditional as well as the modern cuisines, also to bring together the local and the global cuisines. Now, you could think that food trucks is not completely a new idea, but the thing is, in when I was searching about for food trucks in Bangalore, I could find that there were two main competitors. So one was a SWAT food truck and one was a BBQ food truck. One was found in Kamanahalli. So the peculiarities that I found in these food trucks was that they restrict their menu to like one or two items that are really popular and that will be sold popularly. But the model that I chose is, more to do with the Western model of food trucks. So wherein the food trucks in itself will have an elaborate menu. It works as a fully functional restaurant in itself. And the vision is for 2020, like for 2030, is to probably start this venture, and by 2040, we are hoping to franchise this to different states of India. Now, where will I begin? Like the marketing, where will this happen? So the marketing will be happening. First, the product will begin the venture will start in Bangalore because I chose this space because of the diversity of the population that's there. There's a craving for both the local as well as the global food within this population. So that's why I chose this. And as MVP, the popular food I would choose is burger. So LV's chicken as well as LV's veg burger will be MVP for this particular venture because it is more popular and more people are they know about as a fast food. They are more familiar with this, and so I believe that this would be the MVP for us. When coming to the promotions, as I said, you can see the tagline there. It's like favorite food at favorite places. So for promotions, we would also focus on the favorite places where people hang out with their family, friends, and so on. Let's say it includes stadiums, theaters. It includes colleges, theaters, tourist spots, weddings. Also, we will be going to events such as weddings, birthday parties, bachelor parties, and other than that, outdoor picnics, field trips, and so on. So this is how we are promoting is that there will be TV advertising will be done. So I found a particular agency called as a media and ad agency where you can place your ads through in in collaboration with PVR and so on. So that is one, and also stadium advertising is there. And for nearby areas and so on, flyers will be used. And to promote the products in the local areas, of course, we'll be using the coupons and the 1+1 offers and all for the initial time. And Instagram definitely, the page will be very attractive, and the dishes will be available there, and also the reviews of the customers will be provided. Then when coming to focusing on the burn rate, so as a food truck or food industry, mainly two sort of problems can increase the burn rate. So one is the wastage of food, and the other one is the lack of raw materials. So the hike in prices. So what we thought in this venture was we would have a collaboration with the farmers one-on-one. So like without intermediaries, we would actually procure the raw materials and ingredients from them, okay, as well as poultry farms, as well as vegetables and so on. And coming to the wastage, whatever waste that is accumulated in from the truck, we would actually try to, again with collaboration with the farmers, turn it into manure and provide it back to them. So in that way, we are working for a sustainable cost too. The one peculiar aspect of this truck is that it will be an electric food truck. So even though the cost of building this might be high in the beginning, it will definitely work for a sustainable cost. And there is also the sustainable finance scheme which is provided by Startup India, which is a good area to begin for to gain the investment for this area. And to what to say, as I mentioned, this is a very sustainable idea, and it is very much relevant in today's scenario to have what to say, have a change from this closed setting of a closed four-walled restaurant and so on, and also to have a what to say, enjoy the aesthetics around us. So by this and this long-term goal of this venture, I believe that this will actually attract more investments. And with that, I conclude my presentation. Thank you.
Okay, good, Flency.
Sir, can I just share my screen to show the prototype of the
Yes, I already
truck?
given permission. You can share.
Yes, sir. Yes, so this is the prototype of the truck that I was talking to you all about. Thank you, and this I conclude.
Okay, nice, Flency. Okay, from the faculty members, they mentioned that first they appreciate your brand name, a new idea, of course, a background, how you said that background, the ambience, appreciated. Very important thing in case of marketing plan, they appreciated the marketing plan, how you are going to target the tourist, especially the wedding parties also, how you are going to attract that one, including what you have mentioned, the ad agencies and PVR. That is how our restaurant is going to attract the others and make it a successful one in both marketing plan and other group they mentioned about the your financial plan, how you are going to reduce the band rate and how you are going to get the money from the startup. These two are mentioned highly by the faculty members. Then coming to the students here, what they mention is they mention about your the brand name once again. Very nice brand name and the your prototype also lastly they have used to quote where you are going to introduce this one, they asked. It is in India, it is, I think I have not seen, maybe there, but in other countries it is there. I have seen in Rotterdam, Amsterdam, especially in European countries. I think even in case of Malaysia and Singapore, we are having, but in India, we are not having. In which place you are having the vision to do that one? That is their question.
Sir,
Mhm.
Sir, I would like to start it in Bangalore itself. As I've
Oh,
mentioned before, I've also found two other, as I mentioned in the beginning, as I found two other competitors with,
mm,
their business is actually really running. It's, the area, there's a large crowd there, and
mm.
the reviews are also very good for these food trucks. And
Oh,
both of
now
them are
it is
located in
running.
Bangalore. But the difference is yes, sir. In
Oh,
Kamanahalli, there's one.
Kamanahalli is there. Huh? I have
So
not seen that one. Okay.
yes, sir.
Maybe due to this COVID, I am not
There,
seeing.
it's called,
Mm,
yeah, sir, maybe because of that. So
mm,
one is exclusively for American cuisine alone is provided, sir. The
mm,
other one is just barbecue alone.
mm.
So that makes my food truck different from theirs, sir, because it takes into consideration the sentiments of the local population as well.
Mm.
So that is so that's why we would like to go forward with this venture.
Oh, nice. So you identified the famous food street in Bangalore, Kamanahalli itself, huh? It is famous for the food
Yes.
street in Bangalore. Nice. So, okay, coming to my view, you have clearly mentioned your vision. That is important thing. Then how you gather that knowledge also, you mentioned clearly. That is the plus point. As they also mentioned, your marketing plan. How you are going to market, you are having the vision. That is the plus point you have clearly mentioned. Brand and how you are going to brand the products also. Good, nice idea. My question is if you are giving more importance for marketing, how you will control the band rate? Of course, you mentioned hmm, whether you are having any specific plans to control the band rate. Yes, come on.
Sir, I think initially for building the, popularity of this particular food truck, more cost will be incurred
Mm,
in the advertising. But I think in the long run, once this, once it starts and kicks
mm,
off, we can bring down those marketing rates,
mm.
that especially the advertising costs. So by that, I think that in the long run, we'll be able to deal with these problems.
Oh, nice. So in long range plan you are prepared. Hmm? Good,
Yes, sir.
Francie. Okay, now any questions from the students? Because this is purely based on Kamnagalli. And you, I hope you might have visited all these places when you were in Bangalore. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Yes, any questions? No. What happened? Okay. Okay, nice, Francie. I think you will be able to achieve by 2020. You are, you are having very good marketing plan and band rate, how to control. And your prototype also nice, but how to get the legal permission from others, that is the biggest issue in case of this
Yes,
type of
sir.
food products. Hmm? That is my view. Good, Francie. Thank you. Hmm. We'll
Sir,
go.
Thank you,
can
sir.
I take up the
Uh,
next one?
okay. Next is Sir Minu Bhardiya.
Yes, yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, ma.
Sir, can you see my video?
Yes, yes, Minu.
Yes. Good
Whether
evening,
you are
sir.
going to share anything?
No, sir. It would be a oral presentation.
Okay, start. Hmm.
Yeah. So, in the current era, and we all use slippers and footwears. I mean, we all use it from all age, from birth to death. So it's a common commodity that we use. And the sad thing is that most of the footwears that we use are mostly made of plastics, and which are not biodegradable. And the sad story is also that they often end up from factories to the landfills, and nobody really knows what happens in between. So in a magazine, it has been mentioned that India annually produces around 62 millions of waste, and by 2030 it is projected that around 165 millions would be a million tons would be produced, and among that, obviously 50% would be plastic materials, and in that, among that, obviously footwears and slippers would be one of them. So having that in mind, I have come up with an idea of making a biodegradable slippers. So I've given the name Tuk Tuks, and I got this name inspiring from the American brand called Crocs. So Crocs is basically used in a normal vocabulary, and I want to bring my brand name into a normal vocabulary as well. So I chose a very simple name, and yeah, so the business would adopt a customization model. By here I mean that I have a prototype here. Can you see it, sir? This is
Yes.
the prototype that I made. So initially I have done, I'm researching about the materials to be used for biodegradable, because anything that's produced by nature is not biodegradable, such as cork. Only certain materials are eligible for biodegradable component. So having that in mind, I'm still doing research, but a product called wheat stock, that in the sense that when you grow paddy or wheat and then you harvest them, and the remaining byproduct is called the wheat stock, and with that we can make a biodegradable products, and it is very much cheaper in rate, and it is a very sustainable product. And also by customization model, I mean that it can be used for any people from any background. For example, the initial thought that I had was for people with neurodevelopmental disorders like autism. They need sensation in their feet all the time. It differs by case to case, but then they don't eventually find these products in the general market. So I wanted to bring such products to the general market, so I decided to have this. And with the product they can have add-ons. For example, they can use a grass material instead of the bamboos that I used here, and they can use stones also to give acupressure, or that sensation giving material we can add on. And for adding on each material, cost will add on. So yeah, so after using it, the customer should give back the product, and this product would be decomposed, and would be turned into a manure and given back to the farmers, because the raw material will be gotten from the farmers initially. So when they come back, in the sense, when they purchase it and then come back to purchase another thing, they would get some offer, because they've gotten a product from us, and then it's gonna be decomposed. So that is the idea. And then yeah, I would promote the product with social influencers through Facebook, TikToks, and other social media platforms. So yeah, that's it, sir.
That's all. Band rate?
Burn rate, I have to keep track on the cost that is spent on raw materials and the operations that has been going on in the company. And then I need to hire the right person with the right skills, because by the time of 2030, there will be huge, technological advancement and competition in e-commerce.
Oh, nice. Good.
Yep.
Okay, ma.
Yes, that's all, sir.
Yes. First, the teachers, Geeta madam, she appreciated about your sustainable product. You mentioned clearly the what is the sustainability, how you are going to do that one. Then also she mentioned about the how you are branding that one. Hmm? The initial stage itself, usually the entrepreneurs will brand at the later on stage, but you have created a nice thing in the initial stage itself by branding that one. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
another comment, yes. Here another faculty member, Dr. Nelson, he also mentioned the how you are going to target with the help of social influencer. Hmm?
So my advertisement point is highlights on social inclusion. Since if you go to a market, will you see a physically disabled person purchasing the same slippers along with you? I mean, that is impossible. That happens very rarely. So when you come here, I'm bringing social inclusion, and I think that's the highlight of my brand advertisement. Advertising.
Yes,
Yeah.
good. Let us see what students told. Yes, students given that whether your prototype is first they appreciated about the showing the prototype, whether it is actual prototype, they asked.
Oh, yeah. Actually, I imagined like this. Actually,
Yes, yes,
can you see it, sir?
yes,
Yeah.
yes, we are able to
Yeah.
see.
So, I made it with my own products that I got it from my garden, the bamboos and some
Oh,
straps. Yeah.
good, you are having a nice garden there. Hmm? Okay, that is the question. Of course, they also mention about their your method of branding as well as how you are using the social media for the purpose. Okay, that's all.
Yes, sir.
So from my side, it's also a nice presentation. You have showcased your product.
Yeah.
So when you are going to market, where you will market?
Mostly in Bangalore, sir, because
Hmm.
it's just an hypothetical notion that I'm having. People in Bangalore are open to new experiences.
Hmm.
So I think branding there would be a good idea.
Where you are now,
In Chennai, sir.
but you want to brand in Bangalore. Why?
Yeah, I don't know, sir, because I find the people to be more open to new experience.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's why.
Whether your parents will support your view,
Yes, sir.
they are ready. Huh?
Yeah,
So in your garden, you are having these type of products there.
yes, sir. You
Hmm?
mean in the sense the raw material?
Yes.
Yes, sir, I do. I do have.
Hmm. But Chennai is congested one. Whether you are living with a nice garden.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
I'm not living in the city. I'm living out in the suburbs. So,
Where?
Pallavaram, sir.
Oh, Pallavaram. I have traveled in that electric train. I think
Uh,
with Tambaram to beach. Huh?
yes, sir. The local trains.
Local trains. Okay. Your father is also doing business.
No, sir.
Hmm. Then how you are having that idea to come such a business? Where is the
Well,
source? Hmm?
my dad is not a business person, but then he is interested in business. So
Mhm.
I used to have talks with my dad. So that's how it came, sir.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
See that one. That is the parental influence. In your class, I'm seeing most of you how the parents are influenced. Very good, Mini Bharati. Whether your dad is there now,
He's not here right now, sir.
why you are not showing your dad?
He's
Hmm?
taking rest. So,
Rest. Hmm?
yes.
Okay, ma. Good. You can see the transformation network. This is the thing. Of course, most of the ideas are well born. Only thing we have to save that one. A nice thing you can see about the Mini Bharati, how from a place called Pallavaram in Chennai is developing, is very much fond of these type of brands and how to create the. This is also one type of sustainability, biodegradability. Then the idea she mentioned that early adopters in Bangalore coming to Bangalore and market. This is the how the society is transforming recently. Good idea, Minbardi. Any
Thank you, sir.
questions from students? Come on.
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah, I have one question.
yes, Nitish. Hmm.
Yeah, since you mentioned that footwear is biodegradable, so as a customer, if I buy, uh, then I'll be concerned about how long it will last since
Yes.
it's biodegradable. So, if you just keep it, it can get damaged.
Yes, that's true. So the thing is that it I've had this in mind, like the expiry date, not expiry in the sense it will last long only for 6 months. The slippers that I'm advertising, but then if you bring it back to the shop, and then you can get a discount for if you're gonna get it for another pair of slippers. So it's basically. I mean, it'll rotate, in the sense you'll come again to the shop to get a new pair. So eventually, this is societal change that I'm projecting by 2030, because no one predicted Corona, and then people turned into becoming more hygiene. And by 2030, everyone will become aware of, biodegradable products and the waste management. So, Indians will begin to segregate products based on their component, plastic, glass, and recyclable. So in that, having that in mind, I made this product. Yeah.
So according to the trend, you will change your product. Huh? The
Yes.
quality is same, biodegradable,
Yes, sir.
but after 3 months, you assume that they won't wear similar, so you
Yeah,
will
yeah.
change the combination.
Exactly, sir. And also, I will collaborate with some fashion designers so that trends don't stay for more than 3 months anywhere. So,
Hmm.
uh, the product will degrade, and you get new fashion, and you'll stay in trend. So it goes on.
Oh, nice. That is the another plus point. Trends.
Yes, sir.
How you are identifying the trends according
Yes,
to the
sir.
fashion. Good, Minu
Yeah.
Bharati.
One
Yes,
more
then.
question.
Yes, Nitish.
What will be the selling price of?
Uh, well, the price to make the product is low, but then the price to so the raw material is low, expense to buy the raw material, but then the price to make the product is a bit complicated. Uh, I would project this product to be around 799.
799.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So because
Hmm.
the wheat, if wheat stock is going to be the primary product for making the raw material for making the product, then I can get it for a very cheaper rate from the farmers, and anyway I'm going to give it back to them in the form of a manure. And the process in between, that is the compressing the material to make it more light instead of hard, because if I use the wood, it would become hard, the weight of the slippers will increase. So to make it more comfortable and all, having those factors in mind, so the price is projected to be around 799.
Okay, nice, Minu Bharati.
Yeah.
Any other questions?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. So my recommendation will be like 799 is like expensive. So if you could decrease that amount, then
Yeah.
there will be the customer
So
acceptance will be more.
that is true. If you
Yeah.
come to buy a pair of flip flops from my company for 799, that would be it. But if you're gonna come back again and return the flip flops that you have already been used, I'll reduce your price to 500.
Yeah, but you said it's just 6 months, right? If
Yeah.
I buy one 300 rupees slipper, it will last for even 2 years. So
Uh,
why customer will go for your slippers? So
well
in
then,
that case, if you decrease the price, then like they customer might consider going to for your product.
that's true.
Uh,
That's true. I'll
yeah,
keep that in mind, Nitish. Thank you so much.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
good
It's nice
idea.
idea. Yeah,
Yes, even Nitish question is nice. That is why I think some of you heard about BOGO, buy one get one free. This idea was not marketing once upon a time. Since the fashion is changing, the first time the Vimal brand introduced that one buy one get one free, because the trends are changing. According to them, they introduce nice cloth and two different varieties they used to introduce. What will be the future color and present color? For that purpose only, in those days they introduced buy one get one free. But later on it turns into an advertisement. I think Minu can follow such type of strategy because the product is going to last only few months. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, Minu Bharati,
Yes, sir.
and a nice presentation.
Thank you,
That's
sir.
true from very hot place, Chennai. Huh?
It
You are
is.
living in cool place. Hmm? Good idea.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Minu.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Now, any other students are ready? Others are not ready. Hmm? You must see one thing from all the presentation. First, I accept the transformation strategy, how the idea is coming. Each and every person's, a person started from Goa. He mentioned about all these things there based upon the native idea, how it comes. Then two students from Kolkata region, how their idea is there. That is the nativity idea. Nice. That's what we used to call it as from rural it goes global, but their thinking is global. Even in these Kolkata students, both of them mentioned that they will bring the same idea to everywhere. Even the Goa students clearly mentioned, even the last presentation, Minu Bhardi, all the students, even from Jharkhand, see, why I'm telling the geographical locations, see that one, since this is the advantage for you. All the students are in different geographical region and they are sharing their views. How a student from Jharkhand, how a student from Bangalore, how a student from Chennai, Goa, Kolkata, this Kerala, very nice idea from Kerala. And these people join together and here they are presented. You must know the native idea. That's what I told. Even you can dance like Jack Ma, smile like Bill Gates, but you have to sing like A.R. Rahman. That is the Indian style. Here they you portrayed that one nicely in the first day. These are all the plus points I have seen. Each and every person is having nice idea, and even the technical things, the marketability, how you are going to market the products, and you have mentioned nicely the marketing idea. And next one, you have mentioned about the finance banning rate and prototype also. A few of them show the prototype, how your product will looks like. Your vision is clearly mentioned. Okay. Coming to the next aspect, don't mistaken me. The next presentation area, you have to concentrate on two things. One is your minimum viable product. What will be the stage of your product first, second, then third? I think from Ajit from Jharkhand, he clearly mentioned that one. So that also you can try to incorporate. First stage, what you will introduce, second stage, what it will be. Next important thing, only two or three students mentioned they are the CEO. What about others? I expect all the students should be like an CEO. Hereafter, you have to present like my product. That is the thing. You should not say that product, this product. Okay. Our company product. You can give a brand name to your company. I think some of you already given nice brand name. You can give a brand name to your company and try to present like the CEOs of the organization. Two students did it well and nicely. I said, no, not two, four students I here mentioned. As an CEO, that one, create a nice ambience. Today I have seen the two or three ambience nicely. In future, also I am going to see the nice ambience. So at the end, now it is your time. You are going to mark in the Google form only one answer. You have seen number of presentations today. Which presentation like you most? Okay. Never mention two things, three things, because your aim should be clearly focused. So based upon today's business idea given by our students, you are going to mark in the Google form any one. Never mark more than one, which you like best. Okay. That is the judgment for our students, as well as other students will also know that one. With this, we'll conclude. Be ready for the next class. I hope the next class will be on next Monday only. So there will be less time, more presentation will be there. We have to speed up. So try to make quickly but effectively based upon your ambience, your prototype, your vision clearly mentioned within few minutes. So within few minutes, you are opening and showing. So this is essential. With this, we'll conclude. Any questions from your side?
Sir, you said we have to mark the product or something, sir. So we
Yes.
have to write the name of the person who presented, or sir,
No, no,
something.
no, no need for name. Okay, okay, here they are telling that faculty mention the name of the person also and the product. Okay, then only the students will get the points.
Okay,
But
sir.
only one. May not go for more than one student. It is not a competition. I won't show here. Don't worry. Okay, good. We'll meet on next week. Bye.
Thank
Okay,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.